Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your TikTok feed so that you can get recommended new videos. If you are getting bored with video recommendations you are getting on your TikTok feed, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your recommendations so that you will get shown different videos on TikTok. So the first thing we need to do is open up the TikTok application and then select the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you get to your profile on TikTok, simply select the three horizontal lines in the top right and open the menu and select settings and privacy. Once you are here, scroll down under content and display. Let's select content preferences, and now you have to select your refresh your for you feed. Tap on it. As you can see, this will reset your feed on TikTok to show you just popular videos, and then the more you interact with the videos, the more they will show you videos relevant to your interest. So select continue and then confirm you want to refresh your TikTok feed by selecting refresh. After that, you can tell them a little bit about why you reset your TikTok feed, but you don't have to. So now you can go back and select home and you will see your new reset TikTok feed. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.